I just want the Yoruba society, Yoruba community to know that the Yoruba settings in Nollywood, they have a lot of bloods in their hand. Àwọn tó ń ṣe fracas ni òkè ṣáà tí ó ṣe fracas. They have a lot of ṣé Foluke Daramola ló máa lọ attack èèyàn. Have you ever seen Foluke Daramola attacking people because he wants to release movie? Go and check it out. We don't talk, me and FK, Yabukun, we don't talk, don't even know much about her. But when I joined the film industry, I saw a lot of good things she did. But part of the good things, see, Foluke Daramola is part of things that make me to love film industry. I remember when I joined the film industry, I met FK, Mrs. Foluke Daramola Salako. I met her, she's so nice, she's so humble, she was so friendly. And they were having events in Ondo State. And you know, she wrote official letter, she, you know, gathered all the artists, the actresses and actors. So me, I was busy then, I could not join them. But there are some. Nígbà ẹ báyìí tí Foluke Daramola bá gbé yín lọ any state house, gbogbo yín lẹ máa gba envelope without sleeping around though. I'm saying this to you. Ọ̀rọ̀ ṣé mọ̀ pé FK ò mọ̀ pé mo máa di speaker lẹ́nu. Foluke Daramola mọ̀ pé máa di speaker lẹ́nu. A lè máa sọ pé wọ́n ń ṣàìdá títí ká má sọ ibi tó dá tán ṣe. I can authoritatively say this concerning Foluke Daramola. A lè máa sọ pé àwọn ṣe lè wọ́n ṣe lè. Kó má jẹ́ pé kò sí kò wá tí ẹ séyàn kankan nu wọn tó ṣe ìtí ò dá. Foluke Daramola really tried though. I must be sincere with you. She really tried. Ó máa gba envelope for everybody. So, èmi ò ìgbà tí Abojo dé wá dé tó wá gbogbo àwọn ọmọ tẹ́rí yìí nígbà tí Foluke Daramola tèmi join film industry nígbà yẹn. Foluke man sorry Mrs. Foluke Daramola ìyá mi. Kì í sọ̀rọ̀ àṣọlọ́rọ̀. Do you know what she used to do? Gbogbo àwọn upcoming yẹn ni FK ló máa ń ṣe award fún. If tó bá ti ń ṣe award ó máa nominate FK Foluke Daramola. She's a nice person, no? I remember vividly. There was a time she approached me, Lizzy, Shomaraye, Ondo State. Wọ́n fẹ́ ṣe kíní kan wọ́n pe gbóná. In fact, Foluke Daramola used to go to State House to go and look for slots for the Nollywood. He's not using anyone to do. No. Foluke ò fa àwọn èèyàn ṣaṣẹ́wó. No. Foluke Daramola try yo. Give me the sticker. Ṣebí kò sí bí àdé ṣọlọ́rọ̀. Ṣọlọ́rọ̀. Foluke Daramola try yo. Gbogbo èyí tí Ìyábọ̀ ṣe yẹn. Foluke ò kì í ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Foluke ò ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ o. Wọ́n bá ń pín awọ́dù bí kan ẹ máa rí Foluke tó máa lọ submit gbogbo àwọn onítíátà síbẹ̀. Gbogbo State House, Lagos State, gbogbo ẹ̀ Foluke Daramola. Wọ́n bá fẹ́ ṣe event, Foluke Daramola máa gbé àwọn onítíátà lọ́nà.
Tó ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa mà tún ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí Lizzy Anjorin tí ó sọ nípa òṣèrébìnrin Foluke Daramola nínú fídíò yìí. Ẹ ti gbọ́ bí ó ṣe gbóríyìn fún arábìnrin yìí lórí àwọn ìwà yìí tí ó ti wù sí wọn ní Yorùbá movie industry sẹ́yìn.
Adìẹ fi bó dẹ̀ ṣe di tàwọn Ìyábọ̀ Òjó tó di pé kán máa lọ fún ṣẹ̀dá tí yóò ṣẹ̀.